Hey, cool cat. Some days just playing staccato on the piano doesn't do the trick. There's other aspects of it that make it happy, because you can also play staccato like this. Which has a more cynical, kind of mysterious type of vibe to it, which is great in different types of contexts. But today, we're going to be talking about finding joy and hope through music. There's two things I want to talk to you about today. First is key quality, and second is chord progression. Before, we spoke about how a chord in music is a combination of any two or more notes together. If all these chords are played within the same key, then we're staying within the key. And when it comes to playing joy, we want to focus on staying within the key of a major key. Today we'll be staying in the key of C major. The second part is chord progression. How do the chords go? In what order do they move in that allows us to feel joy? The two most important chords are the first chord that you play and the last chord, whatever number that might be for you that you play. If you really want to feel joy, I suggest that you start your chord progression off with the one chord, which is a chord that has the fingering with your thumb on the first note of the scale. And if you really, really, really want to play a joyful song, then I suggest that you end the chord progression with the fifth chord of the scale, which means that your first finger is on the fifth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the scale. We'll put this in context by playing a 1 chord, a 4 chord, and then a 5 chord, and then go back to the 1 chord. This is what it sounds like when we put all three of those things together. Staccato, and then the chord progression in the key. To the 4 chord, to the 5 chord, I hope this was helpful for y'all. I was having a really crappy morning today, so this was helpful for me to get out of my head and think about the emotion joy and think about how I experienced that. And making this video for you was actually a little bit helpful for me too. So I really hope that you're able to use this, because I personally use these techniques to help me write music to feel a certain type of way, which can really help you, especially when you wake up with your nightmares still playing in your head like I was this morning. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Feel free to share this out with a friend or family. Bye.